The new building of the District Session Court of West Jaintia Hills District was inaugurated by Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, Justice Sanjeev Banerjee, on Thursday at Clay Trichy. Earlier, Justice Sanjeev Banerjee unveiled a plaque signifying the birth of this new District Session Court complex. He was accompanied by the Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar, judges of the Meghalaya High Court, Justice H.S. Thankyou and Justice W. Dingdaw. In his inaugural address, the Chief Justice highlighted the significance of the District Session Court, which will play a pivotal role in delivering justice at the grassroots levels, besides reducing backlog of cases. The court building was constructed on an 11.162 acres of land at a cost of rupees 35 crores 89 lakh 82,000 only. It comprises 4 floors and 7 courtrooms. It may be mentioned that the total pendency of cases in the district is 978, that is 718 criminal cases and 260 civil cases. The adventurous